Hey everyone, this is Al Backman here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at FP Automation. Welcome back to our Government Contracting Series, where we are looking at planning within Microsoft Fabric, powered by Acterys. In this video, we are going to be talking about the project profit and loss statement, where we can see for a given scenario what our project costs and revenues look like across all contract types and projects within the organization. We're currently using right now the Acterys reporting visual, which allows us to see all various different contracts and then a revenue breakdown and cost breakdown of each of these projects from a labor, non-labor, as well as total indirect cost standpoint. So all the hard work that we've been doing across all modules right here is starting to pay off in real time, where we can immediately see a projection of what our total revenues look like across the business. So what this means is your team has the ability to not only be able to look at a holistic view, but an individual view, being able to slice data for individual projects, as well as look at individual project categories, such as, for example, CPFF projects only or cost plus projects only. I also want you to pay attention to project number 2 right here. Not only do we have the ability to see what our projections look like from a revenue and cost standpoint, but we can also head back to other modules, such as, for example, this particular module, project number 2. And switching to this project, we have the ability to be able to put projections in place, such as, for example, a 10% fee that we're looking to apply to this particular project. By hitting save right here, we're not only able to adjust the potential projected revenue for this project, but when we head back to the project P&L, what we have the ability to do is see what our project revenue looks like for this project, what profitability looks like, and then what overall revenue looks like for this project. So as your team is making adjustments from a cost standpoint, as well as a cost plus revenue, T&M revenue, and firm fixed price revenue standpoint, you as a manager or you as an analyst have the ability to analyze all projects across the organization and understand which ones are and are not profitable, such as project number 3 here, for example. This allows you to ask the right questions, understand why you're taking on this particular project, and if you should be taking on this particular project, helping to have your company hone in on where they should be focusing their efforts for decision making on a go or no-go decision around taking on certain projects and the costs associated with them, potentially saving the company hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, when it comes to having this level of visibility into revenue and costs across all projects. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Again, a short video, but a powerful video here showing you how you get a holistic P&L view and how real-time updates come into the model here. In our next video, we'll be talking about a project PSR report and how this can be designed for your auditors to serve government contracting auditing purposes that may be required for your organization. So thank you. This is Alp signing out, and we'll see you in the next video.